Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joe Jones is back on the road. Let me just set this up real quick right here. Have a little setup, okay? Now, I just want to say congratulations to all of those that passed their CDLs, got their CDLs that are already with the mentors. Doesn't matter what company you're working with, but congratulations to you. It's a pleasure for me to help you, and of course, it's a pleasure for me to give you the tips and suggestions, of course. I am happy, and I first of all, I know a lot of you've been watching my videos, and I've been working for Sierra England, and that's where I first got my driver's license, and of course, you know that it's a contract, and not everybody's gonna hire you because of that contract. But then again, I told a lot of my viewers and a lot of my friends to go with Swift. You know, they will give you a chance to go in. You just gotta pay Sierra England back. Okay, so there's a lot of people, man. There's a lot of people that be emailing, Joey Jones, help me out, man. How to get out of here, man? What did I do? I messed up. You know, I hear it from everybody. I mean, it goes from. I mean, it happened to me too. They tell you one thing, and when you're there, it's another thing. So, I mean, what else? I mean, again, I keep saying it. There's no perfect company. Everybody talks bad about, Swift as well, and Sierra England. So,
attention, a new important message has arrived.
So, I mean,
it
it doesn't matter where you go. It's the same thing. You're gonna go through it. So, it's just a matter of having patience and having faith, of course, and but yeah, I mean, it's so funny because it's like, I mean, it's because of me. I mean, a lot of people, I mean, it's everybody has been doing great actually with Swift. I mean, there's a lot of people again that left Sierra England and with Swift, and they seeing more money in their paycheck. And then again, just don't forget to pay Sierra England back. I mean, one thing that I've never done is talk bad about Sierra England. I don't have anything bad to say about them. They gave me all the tools, they gave me all the credit, and they put me out here. You know, I'm a truck driver because of them. You know, and you know, by all means, I mean, they just great company. I mean, it just, I can't really complain about them. But there, you know, you got your ups and you got the downs. You know, so. So if you need, to make a move quickly, then of course, you know, and you just do what you got to do. But again, a lot of people, and congratulations, you know, you went on, you moved on, and you're with a different company now. You're with Swift or for Knights or whoever decided to hire you. So again, I mean, I'm here to help, and I'm here to give you suggestions and keep the faith, man. It's gonna happen. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, how's orientation? Orientation is just like a regular other company. Orientation, you're going to go there for the 3 days. You know, other people will keep you for 4 days, and they're going to show you their videos and how they roll, and what are their specialties and their rules and stuff. And that's pretty much basically what that is. And yeah, some companies, like I went to Crete. I was a Schaefer Crete. I went to their orientation. They paid for the rental car, so I drove over there, and it was just 200 miles from where I live. So it was decent. I mean, they pay for your lunch. You pick what you want to eat with Schaefer. They gave me the opportunity, but I didn't really get able to drive with them because they said when I did the orientation. I mean, yeah, at the orientation when I did the road test, they said I was driving too fast. I don't know how. I guess the guy didn't like me. Well, he didn't like me. I know he did, because you can tell. You know when somebody doesn't like you. You know how they polite and they are mean and stuff. So he was. I don't want to say the word, but anyway, he said I failed this, so it's okay. So then that was way back before I even started with Swift. Now with Swift, they pay you for their lunch. I mean, you get to, all you got to do is just take your breakfast money and dinner money. They pay for your lunch. And another thing is, when you do the with the road test, pay attention to your back tires, which are your tandems, your trailer tires. Pay attention to that. You don't want to hit a curve. You hit a curve, it's an automatic fail. If you hit something, automatic fail. If you run a stop sign or run a red light, it's an automatic fail. So always try to keep, just pay attention. You know, pay attention to the traffic lights, and always be alert when you have a solid green, when it's gonna turn yellow or red. But yeah, I mean, when you have a stale green, you can tell by when the traffic, like sometimes you can see when the traffic just about to begin and you just took that curve and you saw that light, you know by when the traffic. So always try to slow down before you get to the light. You know, this is for of course, this is for road test. Okay, and don't get intimidated by them. You know, just do what you got to do. And then again, the good thing about it is that Swift will give you a chance. If you failed it or not, they'll give you a chance. They'll put you with a trainer for 50 hours. Well, 50 hours is about a week. You know, maybe 100 hours or 200 hours. You know, but if you have like 3 months experience, then you're gonna do a week with a trainer if you don't hit anything. I did 50 hours the first time. You know, because they said that I was backing up, and I did everything. I did the road test and backing up, because you're gonna do back it up too. You might do a 90 or 45. I don't see no big difference of them. You know, you're still gonna go forward, and I like to be close. I like to be close to the containers on my left, and then you want to get close to and then what I do is I count 3 of them. I do 1, 2, 3, or put your trailer tires at the hole. You know, there's a lot of ways of doing it. And then you just bang the right, and then you turn into 3 o'clock. So then you go forward, right? You go forward, and then you bang 3 o'clock, and then you do 12 o'clock. And that's when you look, and then you'll see the back of your trailer on the hole. And then do quarter turns, okay? Quarter turn to the right, and then quarter turn to the left, quarter turn to the right, quarter turn to the right. That's how I do it. I do my quarter turns. You know how they show you in school? That's how I do it. But try to do it with one hand. I mean, I don't know if you can do it with 2 hands. But quarter turns, and once you're in there with quarter turns, you will see that you will be fine. I mean, but if you overturn it, you're going to go and you're going to get too close to the container, right? I mean, it'll be nice to do this, to actually do it. But just try quarter turns, you know, practice it, quarter turns, and you will see that if you overturn it, you know, by the time the container's already going. And then if you overturn it, then you have to overturn to the other way and then overturn it, and you're going to mess up. If you have to pull up as many times as you want. As long as you don't hit anything, pull up. Use it. Pull up. Use it. Back at the testing site, you only get, I think it's like 4 pull-ups. I can't remember that. I know I only used 2. But I believe you get like 4 pull-ups. After the 4 pull-ups, you use up all your points. But when you're on the road test, you can pull up as many times as you want. As long as you don't hit anything, you'll be fine. So again, man, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. God bless you all. Again, God is good, and keep the faith, and please, people, always pray before you get on these trucks, man. These trucks are dangerous, and they don't stop that easy. So just be careful, man. You don't want to hurt yourself or hurt anyone, man. So just pay attention to the road, pay attention to signs. You know, get out and look. That's one thing, of course. And then use a 3-point contact when you're getting out the vehicle or in the vehicle, okay? So, family, friends, and viewers, don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.